right, so welcome to another update of the Nailing FX session that I did this morning, simplifying FX trading. If you remember last week, I put on a couple of trades, so this week we reviewed those trades and put on another trade. So here we go. This is what we were looking at. Let me go ahead and move this if I can. All right, so I'm coming to you from Bien Hoa in Dong Nai province, Vietnam. Today, this morning, it was mostly cloudy. And every Wednesday at 10 a.m. from Vietnam, I do a presentation. This morning, I was on YouTube, did a YouTube channel. I will be later on in the FX Street channel. When I'm on, it's 4 a.m. in London and 11 p.m. the day before, so it's a Tuesday night in the US. If you have questions and you want to get a hold of me, you can send an email to fxopabert@gmail.com. To see the videos, you can go to www.fxstreet.com/live video shows. If you're interested in seeing all of the videos, not only mine, but also the ones from the other Nailing FX instructors, as well as other asset classes, just go to www.tradewithufos.com/OPA, and at the top of the page you'll see a get together button. Click on that button and it will bring you to the schedule, and you can then go from the schedule. Just sign up. No charge to sign up. Sign up and then you can watch those videos. All right, so the quick disclaimer: the videos, clips, demonstrations, presentation guides are for educational purposes only. Tradictive and Trade with UFOs and its presenters provide training information purely for the purpose of demonstrating a method of using the products. Users understand that all content used in the information presentation is purely for demonstration purposes only, are not instructions to take trades. We never tell you to take a trade, and does not provide any indication or prediction of actual results. As a user, you understand and agree that hypothetical results obtained through any presentation or demonstration does not indicate in any way the results you may receive by using the products or methodologies we offer. Okay, so let's go ahead. This morning, again, what I did was a quick reminder of how to use the market timing clock. Then we did the trade reviews. I did a correlation so that you understand the correlation of the MT4 with the trading view. And then we did a hunting for a trade, and we actually put on one trade. So the market timing clock is at market24hclock.com. You can set it for your local time, and it's a good indication of what countries are actually trading, what sessions and what countries are open, and you know, which currency pairs might be interesting for you. So go ahead and see the market timing clock. So the trades that we put on last week, we put on a Euro USD trade and an Aussie USD trade. Both of those trades were stopped out, and you can see I had a commission charge of 70 cents on each trade for a mini. That was because I'm trading in a pro account where I get raw spreads from the broker, and since they're raw spreads, the broker has to make some money, so they charge a commission, right? So a little bit of loss, under $25 loss for those two trades. They were forced trades, and here you can see this is the Euro USD trade that we put on last week. What it looked like at that point in time. Here was the hourly period. I was looking for the price to come down, hit our buy limit, and then go back up and give me a quick return. The one-to-one stop down below here is where we set it up. Unfortunately, it didn't work out the way I thought, and after analyzing, looking back, we kind of forced this trade simply because we only have an hour for each of the trading sessions, the FX nailing sessions. Forced it a little bit, and it didn't work out the way we thought, the way I thought. And so here is the Aussie, very similar, looks almost the same. You get all the details by going to the recorded sessions that I did this morning. All right. So here, this is what happened. Okay, about 4 hours after I put the trade on, it got stopped out. Here's the initial trade. You can see it here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 hours later, the Euro USD got stopped out, and the Aussie similarly got stopped out as well. So those were the two trades. After they got stopped out, our profile did a nice change, a nice flip, and everything lined up. And so pushing that 1 hour quick trade instead of waiting for everything to line up. We were trying to get nickels and dimes and pennies when we should have been watching for dollars, right? This was the real trade right here. And that went for about, depending on where you got in, you would have made at least somewhere between 50 and 70 pips. So that was a nice trade that we missed simply because of time pressure. And here again, here's the Aussie USD trade. Again, very similar, about 40 to 50 pips was available there before price turned. You can see the price turning here as the MACD changed. Okay, here's the correlation with the trading view. We always do the correlation with trading view. I explained again how we watch for those trades to come in. You need to go ahead and sign up. There's a free version of TradingView. Use my link to sign up. It gives you a little discount. It also helps me in my account. All right, so then we went to live chart analysis, and let's go ahead and see what that does. All right, come down here. Take this off and get rid of that. So here is this trade that we put on. All right, so this is a 4-hour chart. We looked at all the details, all the specifics on the 4-hour chart. It is set up to, again, do a limit buy coming down to this area here. It's about 20 pips to get into the buy. There's a 40 pip stop. There's a 40 pip stop on this, and an 80 plus pip. You can see here 80.7 pips or points, 80 pips of target to the target. So it's a 2-to-1 trade. We'll see how that shakes out. And that was the trade that we did. So hopefully this quick review will help you out, and you will be able to go back and take a look at the TradingView information so that you can follow the correlation between the MT4 and the TradingView chart, so that we have a higher probability of getting into better trades. The MT4 chart giving us the opportunity to correlate and see the buy zones and sell zones on TradingView. All right, so that's the wrap up. That's what I did this morning. Thanks for watching this update. I will be with you again for another update next week, and I hope you have a good rest of the week, and see you later. Have a nice time.